Hi everybody, in this video, let's look at some questions from your Form 5 at Math Chapter 1 Circular Measure. This question is taken from SPM 2021. Now let's look at these questions. Diagram 1 shows an arc AB which subtends an angle of pi over 3 radian at the centers of circle O. The radius of the circle is 2 cm. The radius of the circle, 2 cm. We want to find the area in square centimeters of major sector OAB in term of pi. Okay, so the minor sector is over here. So if we want to find the area of the minor sector, we will be using this angle. But now the question is asking about the area of the major sector, which is over here. Therefore, we need to use the angle here. How do we get this angle? We know that a full turn will be 360 degrees, which is 2 pi radian, right? Now, to get this angle, reflex angle AOB, we take 2 pi radian minus pi over 3 radian. So this will be 5 over 3 pi radian. Okay, now we have gotten the angle here, then should be no problem to get the area of this sector. What is the formula for finding the area of a sector? 1 over 2 r squared theta, right? The theta must be in radian. Okay, area of major sector OAB, 1 over 2 r squared theta, 5 over 3 pi radian. Okay, now this one you just press your calculator. 2 squared will be 4, 4 divided by 2 will be 2, right? 2 times 5 you will get 10, 10 over 3 pi square centimeter. Okay, this is the answer for question 1. Okay, now let's try another questions from SPM 2021. This is SPM 2021 paper 1 section 8 question 6. Okay, diagram 3 shows a trapezium FECA. So we have a trapezium FECA and sector ABHG is a quadrant of a circle with center A. Okay, so the center is over here for this sector ABHG. So this will be, since this is 90 degree, right? So it will be a quadrant. And AHD is an arc of circle with center B. AHD. It is given that G is a midpoint. Okay, let me label it. G is a midpoint. Means that FG and GA having the same length. And BE is equal to CE. BE, okay, oh sorry, BC. BC is equal to CE. These two same length. So BC is equal to 8 centimeter. And CE also the same, 8 centimeter. And now we know that CD is equal to 3DE. CD equal to 3DE. This means that CD over DE is equal to 3 over 1. So this tells us that CD 3 part, DE 1 part. So here 1 part, here 3 part. So total we have 4 part, right? So 8 divided by 4, you will get 2. Each part representing 2 centimeter. So here 3 part, it will be 6 centimeter. Here 1 part will be 2 centimeter. Okay, now so this might be a little bit confusing. So let me draw it this way for you, so that easier for you to understand. Okay, so ABHG is a quadrant of a circle with the center A. So this is 90 degree. Okay, and AHD, this is an arc of a circle with the center B. Now, let's look at part A. Find the angle CBD. CBD, which is over here. CBD. Okay, now you see a right angle triangle, right? We want this angle CBD. So I'm going to use tangent angle CBD is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. So the angle is over here, opposite is here, adjacent is 8. Okay, so the angle CBD is equal to tangent inverse of 6 over 8. Just press your calculator. 6 over 8. Okay, so this is in degree. Since that the question asks us to give our answer in radian, and we want to correct to 4 decimal places. So still remember, pi radian is equal to 180 degree. So if you want to take angle in degree, convert to radian. So with time, pi over 180. Radian to degree, with time, 180 over pi. Okay, so you can remember this way. Pi is the 3.14 something, right? So radian to degree, the number becomes larger. Therefore, radian to degree, larger, the number become larger, right? So larger number on the top, 180 is definitely larger than the pi, right? So degree to radian, number becomes smaller. So smaller number on the top. So pi on the top. Okay, now. So next, I'm going to take this, convert it to radian, time pi 3.142 over 180. Okay, we want to correct our answer to 4 decimal places. So it will be 0.6436. Okay, so this answer for part A. Okay, now let's go to part B. Hence, calculate the perimeter in centimeter of the shaded region. So to find the perimeter of the shaded region, we need the length here, here, here. And this one no problem, right? 2, and we also need to find the EF. Okay, let's focus on this GH first. GH. So how do we find GH? We know that the formula for arc length is r theta. So we need the r and also theta, right? Okay, so I think these two circles should be same size. Let me redraw it again. Why do I say that these two circles are same size? Because you see, the radius of this circle, AHD, is actually here, right? The length here and the length here are the same, right? And also, this GHB having the same radius as well. Therefore, these two circles, they are actually same size, having the same radius. Okay, so how do we find the radius of these two circles? So now you see a right angle triangle, right? So we can find BD by using Pythagorean theorem. So BD is equal to 8 squared plus 6 squared square root, which is equal to 10. This is 10 centimeter. Okay, now we know that the radius of the circle is 10 centimeters. So next, we need to know the angle here, so that we can use r theta. We have the r, but we don't have theta. The theta is over here. We need the theta so that we can use the formula r theta to help us to get the length here, the arc length here. And same thing, we also need this angle to help us to get the arc length here, HD. Okay, so how do we find these two angles? Do you notice that this AH is actually the radius of this circle, right? Therefore, they actually same length with this one. Here also the same. And you will notice that here we have an equilateral triangle. If this is an equilateral triangle, we know that the angle will be 60 degrees, right? So all the angle here 60 degrees. Okay, now can you calculate the angle here and here? No problem, right? First, let me convert 60 degrees to radian. So 60 degrees is actually equal to 60 times pi over 180 radian. So which is pi over 3 radian. Okay, now let me find the angle GAH first. Angle GAH. This is 90 degree. So 90 degree will be equal to pi over 2. Pi over 2 minus this pi over 3. So you will get pi over 6 radian. Okay, now let's go to find the angle HBD. Angle HBD. So this is a straight line which is 180 degree. 180 degree is equal to pi radian, right? So I'm going to take pi minus this pi over 3 minus the angle that we got just now. Okay, the angle here is 0.6436, right? 0.6436. Okay, now just press your calculator. So pi, I'm going to use 3.142. 3.142 minus 3.142 over 3 and minus 0.6436. Okay, so it will be 1.451 radian. Now, we have gotten the angle here and here, so we can use the formula R theta to help us to get the arc length GH and HD. Now, let me find the arc length GH first. So, arc GH, which is over here. I will be using the formula R theta. So, the R is 10. R theta. The theta is pi over 6 R theta. So just press your calculator, pi using 3.142. 10 divided by 6 times 3.142. So you will get, let me just write in fraction first, 1571 over 300 centimeter. Okay, now let's find the arc length HD. Arc HD. Okay, let me write DH. It's equal to, using the same formula, R theta. R is equal to 10. Now theta is equal to, that's 1.451. So 1.451 times 10, it will be 14.51 centimeter. Okay, now, so how about here? This one you don't have to find. We know that this is equal to 10, right? And here we know this is equal to 2. But now we have a problem, is we don't know what is the length of EF. Okay, let me add a line over here. Now, do you see a right angle triangle here? Right? We know that here is actually equal to 10 plus 8. 10 plus 8, which is equal to 18. This is equal to 18 centimeter. And how do we get the length here? because I'm planning to use Pythagorean theorem to get the length of hypotenuse. So here under here is 20. 20 minus 8, you will get 12. So now you have 12, you have 18. You can use Pythagorean theorem to help you to get the length of EF. Okay, let me do it over here. Let me do over here. So EF is equal to 18 square plus 12 square, and then square root it. Just press your calculator. 18 square plus 12 square, and then square root. You will get 6 times square root of 13 centimeter. Okay, now this is EF. We have the FG, which is equal to 10, and we have the arc length GH and also HG, that we can get the perimeter of the shaded region easily. Perimeter of the shaded region. Okay, now the arc length GH is equal to this one, 1571 over 300 plus the arc length HD or DH is equal to 14.51 plus 2 plus the length here 6 times square root of 13, and we have last part which is 10. Okay, just press our calculator. 1571 over 300 plus 14.51 plus 2 plus 6 times square root of 13 plus 10. Okay, so the answer is 53.38 centimeter. Okay, this is the answer for this question. That's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.